Are you a crypto business owner but confused about which trading bot will suit your business? But first, let us get to know about these trading bots. What is Crypto Arbitrage Trading Bot? A crypto arbitrage trading bot is an automated program that takes advantage of price disparities across multiple exchanges to generate profits. What is a crypto trading bot? It is an automated software that purchases or sells cryptos based on pre-established trading strategies. What are the benefits of Crypto Arbitrage Trading Bot? The benefits of cryptocurrency arbitrage trading bots include real-time execution, reduced risk, profiting from price differences, and improved trading efficiency. What are the advantages of a crypto trading bot? A cryptocurrency trading bot's benefits include automated execution, 24-hour trading, emotionless decision-making, and effective market research. Which is better, crypto arbitrage or crypto trading bot? The decision is based on the objectives. Trading bots provide various strategies, whereas cryptocurrency arbitrage bots take advantage of price variations. Where can find the best crypto trading bot development solutions? You can partner with Opris, one of the leading crypto trading bot development service provider that offers the best solutions.